My name is Inder and you guys are watching
Shwa Vlog. Welcome to your channel.
So someone has suggested us a video and it's look very interesting, and this video is created by a channel named In Studio. Okay. If you like the video, you can go ahead and subscribe to it. And the video name is JD versus VETRIMAARAN. So basically Master versus Marcel. Now I'm kind of excited and interesting. Let's watch. I can't wait to see our own Vijayana. Let's watch. So there are two best characters. One is VETRIMAARAN, one is JD. How is it gonna work? What is gonna show? Let's watch. I can't wait. Okay, let's watch. And guys, if you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to In Studio channel. We'll put the link in the description box. I'm pretty sure Vijayana is there. It's gonna be interesting. And I just want to see what is different here. Because JD versus VETRIMAARAN, by look of it, it looks interesting. So let's watch.
புருஷ அலங்காநல்லூர் ஜல்லிக்கட்டுல அடங்காத ஒரே கால பாடிவாசல் தெரிந்ததுமே வந்துடுவான் பாரு. தமிழ்நாடுக்கு தளபதி வெற்றிமாறன்.
किस पे बाजी खेलनी है, बड़े भाई पे या छोटे पे?
यार उन्होंने कुछ अना पेच मत कोड़ा दे।
Master.
என்னடா
அண்ணே வாத்தியார் மாதிரி.
அண்ணன் குஸ்தியில வீக்.
அக்கா அண்ணன் மேக்ஸ்ல தான் வீக். சரியா எண்ணிருக்காரு. அண்ணே நாலடி ஆயி போச்சு. நம்ம யார் நம்ம காட்டுனே? 3 தானடா. 4ண்ணே.
I was not expecting this. I was not at all expecting this, and this was super amazing.
I am just like.
I love the way he. I love the way he edited. Oh, I was not expecting.
Amazing.
I thought
In studio, you are just amazing. I have never seen something like this.
I thought it would be just a mashup, but both of them are on the same screen.
Same screen with a unique entry. Okay, because over there,
I love the way
she's saying that.
I love the way you edited. What was she saying?
She was saying that ab dekho, and over here that small kid were like Master.
Oh, lovely.
Lovely, yeah,
seriously,
lovely.
We both were not. I thought like it will be just a mashup
Yeah,
or something.
we were like, okay,
I thought
there
it
will
would be
be
a mashup of a
something.
Marshall but the way he edited it looks, it's the same scene. editing
Even
is super.
on kabaddi and that
yes,
akhada.
Yes, and also the dialogues are also matching. The way he edited the dialogues of
There
both
was
of them.
anger and where it's a smile, like mustache.
It was a treat to watch two amazing roles of Vijay Anna on one screen. And मेरे को last में क्या होगा? Then master. It was very
But
very.
with kada.
It was very level.
Very level.
Very level.
It was
very
for
level,
us
very
like
level.
very thin.
Trust me, I'm
I
still
was not
surprised how
expected
did he
something like-
edit it, and I'm pretty sure there are more videos on his channel, and we are going to react more videos. Guys, this guy is
Do
amazing.
subscribe to his
Please
channel.
do subscribe. I
Yes.
have never seen anything like this. Never like. See again, whenever you see it, we thought of a mashup. Trust me.
Yes.
But we never thought that it would
It
be
will
a
be
same
entry.
scene.
It will be a scene. It will be entry.
Very,
We used
very-
to whistle when we watched this movie.
Very nice, very nice. Like
Very nice,
it
right?
was top of the world to watch this. Like trust me, in studio you made our day.
Actually,
You made our day with the way you made the Vijay Anna video. We love him, and it was a very amazing trip. The way you edited and the way you showed it, it was very, very, very nicely done. Very nicely edited, very nicely synchronized. The dialogues and everything,
True.
the placement of each and everything was super. Very level.
Super, very level.
Verathanam.
And we got it.
Amazing.
Verathanam.
Very amazing. Like
It's not
no one-
expected something
I-
like that's what I told now. I have never seen this type of editing. We have seen so many mashups, so many things, but this was unique for
this
us.
was very level.
Very unique for us.
We loved you.
We
We
love
love
you,
you.
love
We love you in studio. You are our favorite from now onwards. Trust me, we have not seen this kind of. You are
This
combining two movies in one and making up a scene out of it.
And
Was
then
to-
that too
with the
entry.
entry and with dialogues,
With
and,
dialogues.
and dialogues matching perfectly
Matching
and
perfectly.
everything. It was very, very.
We
very,
want more something like this.
There are more. I saw there are more. videos
Yeah,
on this.
there are more, but
We
need
do-
more.
Yes, more.
Dude,
keep on doing whatever
keep
you
on
are doing it. Keep on doing. You
Doing
are
this
amazing.
only, yeah.
I'm pretty sure you are going to go highs on your channel. You're going to get a lot of views and subscribers
Yes,
on your channel.
yes.
Guys, please, it's a humble request. Do subscribe to this channel and
Keep on suggesting us more videos.
Do.
Do like, subscribe, share, comment, click on the bell icon.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,